guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to be showing all my slimes and maybe even mixing them. Who knows? So first is the pink glitzy. So just a nice little pink slime that's real glittery, kind of stretchy, not too bad, not too good, not too bad. Just like a glue slime. It's pretty much not sticky, as you can see. Watch, like, not sticky. Non-toxic, hopefully. Does not say if it's non-toxic. So if I die, because of me and the slime. Okay, so let's put this back in the container. Okay, so I have pink glitzy. This one is pearl glitzy. That's the name. That's the first word of my account. Pearl for pearl slate. So pearl glitzy. So you probably cannot see the bite marks that I just did, but I swear I put this in my mouth. I'm literally putting it in my mouth. My teeth are only touching it. That is pearl glitzy. Now, purple fluffy. Just a fluffy slime, but at first it's real hard. See? So it's pretty hard. So this is not a good slime. So let's put it back in there. And that is purple fluffy. The last one is teal fluffy. It's hard too. Ew, it has hair in it. Ew, 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 do, 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 do. See that gross hair? So, just like the purple. So, just in case, because I'm like, I kind of want to mix this. I got a bowl, and if I get thirsty, got a water. Okay, so first is the pink glitzy. Pink glitzy. Take off the lid, take it out. See? And then drop it in a bowl with every bit of this slime in the bowl. Okay. It's in pearl glitzy. All the lid, all the container. Drop in purple fluffy. Drop in. See? It all wants to come out. And teal fluffy. All in there. So let's mix this up. See? It's all mixing. And this is a kind of big slime. But yeah. Like my last video, this was not by me. My friend and my classmate, Gracie P, suggested this for me. So, yeah. So, that's what I'm doing. Mixing the slime to make it good. You can see teal on one side, purple on the other, and the glitzy. I cannot mix this. lid and 4 groups. Okay. Split. And just put this in one, the lid. See? It's a pretty side. Then break this one and then put it in the lid. Okay. Then just split that in half, put it in there. It in, and then just put the last bit in. So, that's it for the video, guys.